Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Looking for a beautiful set of knives for your family? I am so impressed with SYOKAMI and their design and their care of their craftsmanship. These knives are so sharp and they're so beautiful. They really cut amazingly well and they're gorgeous at that. They look wonderful on your table in your settings and your guests will love it. With the steak, they cut like a sharp sword and they give you that elegance as you're eating. They don't lean on the table, so you don't have to worry about germs that way. And look how beautiful they are in cutting my vegetables. I love making stew, and these are my best asset in the kitchen. And of course, for ribs, they are amazing too. They are very sharp. I want to tell you, just be careful when you're cutting. They come in a great package. They look amazing. So if you're looking for a beautiful gift for a friend or a set of high quality sharp knives for your kitchen, you will love these. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.